Hi everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to activate Bogus Payment Gateway in Shopify. Basically, Bogus Gateway is for testing, so those who are starting with the payment gateways or they want to test some product and check the order process, then what they can do is they can activate the Bogus Payment Gateway. So for that, go to the settings, then payments, and in payments click on the option choose a provider. Once you click on it, you will see the option for Bogus Gateway for testing. So click on it and activate this one. So once you activate this option, you will be able to see the payment options in your checkout. So I don't have it right now, but when I go back and refresh my store and then I proceed towards checkout, I will be able to see the option for credit card, which is a bogus testing provider. So I can make the payment using this and check the process. 1 2 3 and name on the card and pay now. So you'll be able to place the order actually without paying anything. So that's how you activate the Bogus Payment Gateway in Shopify, and you see the order as well, which is this one. Thank you so much.